My friends, do you know how to cook Fraisier cake, French strawberry cake? You will love this French Fraisier cake made with sponge cake and generously garnished with fresh strawberries and mousseline cream. This is the classic French strawberry cake. It is gorgeous, amazing, stunning, beautiful. It is pretty and delicious. Do you have other expressions? Please, let me know in the comments below. When I saw this Fraisier cake, Gâteau Fraisier in French, on one of the French food blogs, I remember that recipe. The cake itself looks like a decoration. Indeed, it is the unique assembly of this Fraisier cake that makes all of its originality. At first glance, this cake may seem difficult to make at home. But do not be afraid, it is not that complicated to do. Let's cook this cake together. And I will walk you through the recipe step by step. Fraisier cake recipe is very simple and very easy. There are many versions of the famous Fraisier cake, but my stunning creation stands as a presentation of the traditional French strawberry cake, Fraisier. It is made with 2 layers of classic sponge cake, a delicate vanilla mousseline cream, crème mousseline in French, marzipan, and studded with a generous amount of fresh strawberries. What is Fraisier cake? Fraisier cake, or simply Fraisier, French spelling Gâteau Fraisier, is a classic French dessert. It did make with fresh strawberries, a vanilla mousseline cream, crème mousseline in French, and a sponge cake. How to choose the right one to make a stunning strawberry dessert? Nothing beats the flavor of fresh strawberries picked of strawberry season. If you have a chance, you can buy berries at local farmers markets. That the larger the berry, the juicier it is. The smaller the strawberry, the more flavorful it is. Making strawberry Fraisier, you must be essential to choose equal, symmetrical, and nicely shaped berries. Why you should try this recipe. Strawberry Fraisier cake is a cake perfect for you, for any celebration. You can cook one for a birthday party, Mother's Day, or Valentine's Day. I'm sure you and your guests will love the cake. Generously decorated with fresh seasonal strawberries, the cake Fraisier is a delightful summertime favorite. Seemingly complicated assembling of the cake is not to be afraid at. It is enjoyable and easy. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again.